Let this be your friendly reminder that 2025 we are coming for our healthy hair goals. Because the real flex is when you have healthy hair. In order to achieve your healthy hair goals, you have to understand that it starts at home. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve a silk press at home, while I'll also be documenting my hair care journey because I really want to stay on track with my hair growth. And with that being said, let's jump into this video. First things first, washing your hair. Your hair cannot grow if it's dirty. I don't care. Clean hair is the best hair, especially when it's being cleaned consistently. This is the shampoo that I'm using. Why? I think I pronounced that right. I don't know, but this is the detoxing shampoo that I will be using. This is the first shampoo that I'm starting out with. And notice how I'm focusing on cleansing my scalp. Now, throughout this video, I will be sharing some tips that I have learned from natural hairstylists who used to do my hair over the years. So I just want to make sure I am holding myself accountable by applying these same tips at home. So once I rinse that shampoo out, I'm going to go in with a second shampoo, and this second shampoo is a moisturizing shampoo. And that's one thing I also had to educate myself on, is the difference between different shampoos and what's the reason for using them. So this is the shampoo that I'll be using. This was a travel size shampoo that I did get in PR, so this is really my first time using this shampoo. I really love it because it brought the moisture back into my hair while also still cleansing my hair. Now, my go-to shampoo is usually Olaplex, but y'all, my husband, he uses all of my stuff. Like, I could never get to my own shampoo, child. Okay, but Olaplex is my go-to shampoo. Love it down. But I am going to go in with the Olaplex conditioner to condition my hair. So I'm sectioning my hair off in 4 parts. I'm making sure I go in and coat my hair with this conditioner. This is one of my favorite conditioners to use, y'all. I love their products. I never had an issue with their products when it comes to my hair. Like, my hair loves their products. I love it. So yeah, I'm going to detangle and then section off the parts in 4 parts, and I'm gonna let this sit the entire time while I focus on my shower routine. So about 10 to 15 minutes I usually would let this sit, but I'm gonna let it sit and while I do my entire shower routine. And I also want y'all to pay attention to my curls. Like, your girl has no heat damage, and I love that for me. Let this conditioner sit. I'm going to rinse it out with cold water. Now, this is also a tip that I've learned from hairstylists who have done my hair professionally, because I used to always wonder, why are you rinsing my hair with cold water? But I know they say it's something that's with the scalp. If you are a hairstylist, comment down below what, like, so I don't want to get it wrong, but I know they mentioned something about your scalp, that moisture holds better in your hair when it's rinsed with cold water. Don't quote me now. Like I said, I'm not a professional, but this is like what I've learned over the years. Now, heat protectant is going to protect your hair from getting heat damage, y'all. Y'all see why my curls was popping? This is why. I am going in with a generous amount. This is another thing that I've learned from professional stylists who have done my hair. Don't use too much product. Pretty much, the more product you use, you're gonna weigh your hair down, and we want a silky and flowy silk press, y'all. Okay, so I only went in with a generous amount of heat protectant. Now I'm going in and I'm blow drying my hair. Now, this is the best blow dryer that I got right now, but she gets the job done. I have my denim brush, and I'm going in, as you can see, I'm going in with small sections, and I'm just going to take the brush and the blow dryer and go in and blow dry my hair. This method works for me until I can get a better blow dryer, but this method literally works for me. Look at how flowy my hair looks, and this is just a blow dry, y'all. This is what we want, okay? Your blow dry is so important. When they say it's important, they're not lying. It's important because it's going to make or break your silk press. So you see how flowy the hair is, girl? Yeah, that's how I know my silk press is about to eat down, because we want that movement, we want that flow. And yeah, it looks very lightweight. It's not heavy, it's not packed with too much product, period. I did go in and trim my ends, even though I already trimmed my ends like a week or 2 prior to this, but I just wanted to do a slight cleanup, I know we want our long hair goals, but your hair cannot grow with damaged dead ends, sister. Okay, cut them off. Look, I don't care. I'm definitely every hairstylist's favorite client, because girl, one thing about me, I'm gonna cut my hair, cut it off. So I already flat iron one side, y'all. Look at that movement. Look at that. That is exactly what I meant. Okay, and this is why I said less product and also chopping your ends off will get you these results. Pretty much what I'm doing is I'm going in with my hot comb, and I'm just hot combing and pressing my roots, and my roots only, okay? Because my roots are growing in, so they're more thicker than the rest of my hair, so I want to make sure the roots are like pressed, baby, okay? And I'm going in with my flat iron and I'm doing one pass. So hot comb, press them roots, and then flat iron, one pass through the whole section. So as you can see, I'm going in with skinny sections, y'all. Skinny, very skinny. I'm taking my time. This is how the hair looks. Look at the shine. It looks so good. You don't have to push oil sheens and oils and stuff in your hair, because your hair produces natural oils anyway, so it's gonna oil up regardless, okay? This is how you want your suppressed to be. Like, oh my gosh, it looks so good. And then I went back in and I'm bumping the ends. Like, once I flat ironed the entire hair, I went in and bumped the ends. This is how she looks before I wrap her up. Y'all, my hair has grown out so much. If you've been keeping up with me on Instagram, you know I cut my hair into a bob, so it's grown out so much. I'm going to wrap my hair though, and I have to clip my hair sometimes for it to stay. But I have another technique that works for me, but I have to buy another wig cap. But this is the next day. Time to comb the hair out, and she looks so healthy. I'm so proud of my hair because I'm not playing. I'm coming for my hair goals, my healthy hair goals, period. She looks so good, so flowy, so silky, so shiny, just overall beautiful, okay? It's so pretty. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that you hold yourself accountable this year and really start taking care of your hair, and let's reach our healthy hair goals, because like I said, the real flex is when you have healthy hair and when you can wear your own hair, okay? I'm literally so obsessed because it looks like I left the hair salon. Like, it looks professionally done, and I'm just so in love with it. So yes, y'all, I hope this video inspires you to try this out at home. Also, don't be afraid to reach out to professionals to get tips and advice. And yeah, y'all, comment down below, check my description box for product details. Love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.